Marcos. It's really hard to say. It's really emotional. So I work as a clinical laboratory scientist. So I always take my blood samples every 3 months or every 6 months. I also love dancing. So I dance a lot. But most of all, I love eating. I love food. I eat a lot. So by forming those habits, it became an addiction. I'm a bit addicted to food that I eat every day out, restaurants, Chinese buffet, Japanese sushi, Thai food, exotic Thai food, American, Mexican, and my latest craze was, the eat all you can Korean barbecue for only $10 to $15. So by having those habits and addiction, on January 2013, my weight peaked to 330 pounds. I have 50 inches waistline. And in our laboratory, I took my H1C. 2 years ago, it's only 4.2. And then those years, it became 6.2. So I know now that I'm borderline diabetic. So I fight back, a long time ago, I'm already fighting back my weight problem. I even became member of 3, big health companies. Like, I'm a member of 24-Hour Fitness, LA Fitness, UFC Gym. They're good gyms, but the problem is my drive, my energy. I don't have energy to go to the gym every day. I also tried all products available in the market, all those protein shakes, protein bars, but that's not me. I only use that for a day or 2 or 3, and then I stop it, and then my weight will bounce back twice. So finally on February, I was having a bout of gout attack almost every week. I'm going to my work using a cane. And one day, even the nurse asked me, do you need a wheelchair? I said, no, thank you. So in February, I got a real big one. For 5 days, I cannot walk. Literally, I cannot walk. All my toes are swollen. All my ankles are swollen. My knees are swollen. They're all at the same time. So I'm literally crawling, going to the bathroom or going somewhere in my condo. So I decided I have to fight back harder. So when I got healed on first Sunday of March, I wake up early. So I went to I'm planning to go to the Zumba studio, the dance studio, where I worked out before and danced before. So along the way, IHOP is just in front of the studio. So I just dropped by in IHOP because, I'm food addict. So I just ate my breakfast, 2 crepes, 2 sunny side up egg, sausage, and a soda. I always finish my food with soda. I'm actually a Coke addict also. So I finished my food at around 10:30, so I crossed by. And then the Zumba class is already done. It's 8 to 9, 9 to 10, so it's done. But I'm looking around and there's a lot of people inside, and a lady approached me. Come on, go inside. Listen, this is a good presentation. So I just listen and sit, and then after that, I saw my Zumba instructor. Instead of signing me to a new class for Zumba, he gave me 2 boxes of Javita product, 1 green tea and 1 coffee. And he told me, just give it back to me when you sign up. Okay. So on that afternoon, I started drinking Javita. And then after a month or 2, people around me always tell, you're losing weight. No, I'm not. And then one time, I'm really feeling that my pants is going down, so I weigh myself. And I was surprised it's only 3 months without struggle, without thinking that I want to lose weight. I'm just sipping coffee, I'm just sipping green tea and eating the food that I'm used to be, but lesser. And to my surprise, no more Cokes. So, in 3 months or 1 month, I lost 20 pounds, and now it's 22 pounds. And I've got my pants here. This is size 48, but my waistline is 50. I'm just putting it on my navel. But now I'm wearing a 46 and it's on my waistline. No more tummy. And I'm trying to hit 38. I think I can do that with the help of Jabita. So, at this point in time, I would like to thank the lady who introduced Jabita to me by chance. This is by chance. I'm not actually looking for it. It is by chance. I would like to thank Mrs. Priscilla Ligot and her family. And of course, Carla Vargas. And I also want to take this opportunity to say thank you to our founder and owner, Mr. Stanley Charleston, for bringing this product to us. It's really helping. It's changing our lives, one cup at a time. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. More power, Jabita. God bless us all. Thank you.